Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to log into your Skyscanner account step by step. On your phone, open the Skyscanner app. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. Now look at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on Profile or the account icon. And here tap Login or Sign Up button. You will be given with three main options, either to continue with Google, Facebook or email address. Select your preferred option. If you use Google, Facebook or Apple, just tap and allow access. If you choose email, just like I'm doing right now, type in your email address. Once done, tap next. A verification code has been sent to my mailbox. Let me check that. Tap Submit Code. Once signed in, you will see your saved trips, recent searches and preferences all in one place. And that's it. You have successfully logged into your Skyscanner account. Now you can book flights, hotels and car rentals more easily. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.